guys, thanks for tuning in. So if you're here, that means you either want to switch up your eyebrow routine or you just want to try something new. And that's perfectly fine. You're going to learn something. I'm going to help you get there. So today we're doing a very simple eyebrow tutorial for beginners. And you know what? We're only going to use 2 products. Yes, 2. Let's get started. Hey guys, so we're going to start off by brushing our brows with our spoolie brush in the direction that we want it to go in. Then we're going to take our NYX brow pencil in the color dark brown. We're going to outline our brows, top and bottom. This is where I want my brows to end, right here, so I'm going to put a little dot. We're going to just connect it. Then we're going to fill in our brows with light strokes. We're going to take our spoolie and blend in the product. We're just going to brush upwards so the product can blend in.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful. And that's what makes you beautiful.
Then we move on to the next step. I'm going to use my concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, to clean up my brow and brighten that area. I'm going to put it on my EcoTools concealer brush. And we're just going to outline our brows. And then I'm going to use my E.L.F blending brush to blend everything in. You can add it to the top area and blend that in as well. I usually don't do that, but for the purpose of this video, I will show you guys how to. So again, using your concealer brush, you just outline your brows. I know it looks a little crazy, but it's all about blending. So I'm going to take my blending brush and blend it out. And then, again, this is the before, and this is the after. I'm going to complete the other eyebrow and finish this look off camera, and I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did try out this look, then please make sure to leave a comment. Let me know how it worked out for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again with my next video. Bye.